Hello everyone, Glam Beauty here and welcome back to my channel. Today is another unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 13 Pro Max phone case. I mean, the phone costs a lot of money, so I went the extra step to protect it. So this is what the case looks like. I got this from Amazon. So that's what it looks like. We're going to be unboxing that and see what this case comes with. So here it is, guys, and this is what it looks like. This is all the stuff that it comes with. We have some stickers and a thank you card. And then it comes with two camera lens case protectors. It comes with some alcohol wipes and a cleaning cloth. It comes with a magnetic ring and the slim fit military case cover. And then it also comes with two screen protectors. So now I'm just picking the items that I'm going to be using in order for me to protect this phone. So first I'm just going to make sure that I clean the phone to make sure we do not have any dust particles on the phone. I'm going to clean it with the alcohol wipes, and then I'm going to clean it with the cleaning cloth. And then the last part is I'm just going to dab it with a sticker to pick up all the dust or any fabric particles that may have landed on the phone during the first few cleaning sessions that I will have. So I'm just going to peel that off the phone case, and then I'm going to just wipe the phone one more time just to be sure. And then I'm going to fit the phone in the case. It fits really well, and I love that it's very clear. I wanted the gold to be very visible, so this is a win situation for me already. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the screen protector on there. And I'm just going to tap the middle, and I'm going to let the screen protector do the rest of the job by itself. And then the next step is we're going to turn the phone around and attach the camera lens covers and place the magnetic ring on the back of the phone.